My name is Diego and I'm presenting this tool of Terra Antiqua. It's called Remove Artifacts. In this video you will see a summary of its functionality, a dedicated page in the manual, and indications on how to use it. In the Terra Antiqua YouTube channel, you can find similar videos for the other tools. They are also accessible from the manual. Remove Artifacts is a secondary tool. This means it's not part of the main reconstruction workflow, and it's meant to enhance the map produced by the primary tools. Often, after using the primary tools, artifacts are created on the map. This tool allows you to quickly remove them by applying small fixes without the need of masks or shapefiles. It's very straightforward and intuitive. For this tool, let's start seeing the dedicated page in the manual. Here you will find basic information about the tool, technical details, step-by-step indications, as well as some notes and warnings. In this video, I will follow these step-by-step indications. Click on the icon of the tool and this tooltip pops up. As you see, this is a simple message and not the real interface yet. After accepting, you can draw a polygon right away on your map. Draw this polygon on the artifact you want to remove. Don't worry if it's not very precise. You will have the chance to define it better. Once you're done, do a right click. Now this is the tools dialog. You can see it's quite minimalistic. The only parameter you have to enter here is the definition of the artifacts. This formula will tell the algorithm what is to be considered an artifact within the polygon you drew. If you click Help on the lower left-hand corner, you will go to the manual I showed before. The information on the manual is complemented by this help text you see on the right. If there are other areas of your map with similar artifacts, you can click here and this will activate the drawing mode again, so you can add as many polygons as you want. Just keep in mind that the same formula will be used in all of them to determine which values are artifacts and have to be erased. What this tool does is erase the values defined as artifacts. And then you have the option to leave those pixels empty or fill them with values interpolated from the surrounding areas. In this case, I'm choosing to fill the gaps with interpolated values. This is the result. You can see that the areas I marked don't have artifacts anymore. Instead, they now have coherent values. This tool is very useful for localized corrections where you don't require precise values, just a small and quick fix to delete artifacts. For topography editing at larger scale, or for higher precision and more control on the generated topography, we recommend using the primary tools Modify Topobathymetry or Create Topobathymetry. The links to their videos are in the description.